Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jello bone broth. We'll cover selecting the best ingredients, the cooking process, and how to ensure your broth gels perfectly. This easy guide will help you create a nutritious and delicious bone broth right in your own kitchen. Get ready to enjoy a wholesome addition to your diet with minimal effort. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of bones, like beef marrow bones or chicken carcasses. Don't forget your aromatics, such as a couple of carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion. A crucial ingredient is 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. It helps extract minerals from the bones. Fresh herbs like parsley are also a great addition. Now for the cooking process. Place your bones and vegetables in a large pot and cover them with cold water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for at least 12 hours or up to 24 hours for maximum nutrient extraction. Remember to skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface during the first few hours. Once your broth has finished simmering, let it cool slightly before straining. Use a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove all solids, leaving you with a clear liquid. Refrigerate the broth, and you should see it transform into a beautiful, jiggly gel. This indicates a high collagen content. Store your Jello bone broth in airtight containers for up to 5 days, or freeze it for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.